Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook friend request error. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're trying to add someone on Facebook and you get that error on your screen, well in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So first things first is you want to change a few things on your Facebook account. So typically speaking, if your Facebook account here is quite secure, like for example, you limited a few things on your account. So for example, I have my Facebook account here. When you go to the top right here, click on your profile icon and go to the settings icon here. So settings and privacy, and clicking on the option here for our settings. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to go and scroll down a bit here, and we want to look for the option here that says how people can find and contact you. Now, what you need to do here is you want to make sure that you have a few things enabled. So in this case, you want to look for who can send your friend requests here, and temporarily set this to friends of friends. Or if you if you're using friends of friends, try using everyone here and see if that actually allows you to add a friend, or in this case, add that friend on Facebook. Now, typically speaking, once you've added that friend, you can go and switch back your settings here and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you need to or you could do here is you want to identify if you've just recently added someone on Facebook. So, for example, if you added a friend on Facebook or you added someone on Facebook and you cancel that request and you try adding them again, well, unfortunately, sometimes Facebook can actually limit your account, especially if your account is not yet verified. So, in this case, this will or you will be getting the error or friend request error here. So, if you do get that, you just need to wait for a few hours or a few minutes in order for that block to be removed from your account, just to make sure that you don't have a spam account here or you're not using a spam account. So, just to protect the Facebook community. But typically speaking, you could try adding them again after a few hours, again a day, and in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.